What's going on, everybody? I hope you're all having a blessed day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about should you flip houses during the housing market crisis that we're in today. I know tons of investors who are buying up real estate, betting on appreciation and not realizing the risk that they're actually taking. So if you have any interest in real estate investing, or even just buying a property, you need to watch this video. And as always, don't forget to hit that free like button if you got any value, and let's get right into it. So as investors, our goal, my goal and your goal, is to buy a piece of real estate, to flip it, and to make a profit from it. We want to make profit. That's the goal of what we do. We want to buy a house, add value to it, and flip it. We want to buy a shopping center, add value to it, and flip it. Whatever it is real estate related, we want to add value to it and flip it. Other people might hold it, but in this video, I'm talking about those who are flipping in this uncertain market. Now, I know many of you heard the famous saying that says, you make your money at the buy and not at the sell. And what this entails is basically when you buy your real estate, that's when you actually made your money. It's not when you sell the real estate. So buying your real estate for the right price is everything if you want to succeed in the business. The minute that you buy that real estate, whether it's a house or a commercial property, the minute that you buy it, you can almost instantly know if you're in the money or you got a bad deal. Something that was really tough on me at the beginning of my flipping career at 18 years old was buying real estate at the auction. Till this day, I flipped over 50 plus properties, and those properties, the majority of them, I bought from the courthouse steps from the auction. So what I'm advising you isn't me just reading an article. I'm giving you guys actual real life experience of me flipping real estate. So I took the big risks where I bought my real estate from auctions because I knew how to do it, and I knew the opportunity there, and I knew there was money there. But the problem with today's market is everyone is overpaying at these auctions. In fact, not at the auctions only, but just in the market in whole. At the auctions, you would think you're getting a good deal, but in this market, it's probably worse than a retail sale. So when I'm personally buying real estate at the auctions or any type of real estate, the money is made at the buy, not at the sell. Remember that. What this means is when I'm buying in the auction and someone's bidding against me, I can't let pride get in the way. I can't get shy. I can't say, oh my God, everyone's gonna see me losing. That's not how it works. And sadly, the rookies who come bidding in the auction get too emotional and overpay for real estate. So for me, not wanting to get a bad deal, I can't let that happen to me. It happened before where I started to get heated inside, where this person keeps bidding at me and overbidding me every single time. In fact, the first house I ever bought, I was about to buy it for $65,000 and someone upbidded me up to $105,000. And at that point, being a rookie, I could have got emotional and kept going from 105 to 106 to 108 to 110,000 and ended up overpaying for the house. Thankfully, I didn't. I still bought it at $105,000, still profited about $22,000, but you guys get where I'm going with this. Being emotional in real estate when you're making a purchase or a big decision is not the way you want to go about it, because you'll lose big. I've seen it plenty of times where rookies try to bid against other people, get emotional, and overpay for the real estate, and guess what the funny thing is? I never see them the next month at the auction because they were in the hole and they lost on that property. Now, what I'm also seeing in the real estate market right now, specifically the auctions, is that you got a friend with a coworker with a family member and they got their life savings and everyone's putting $20, $30, $40, $50,000 and they're so excited to buy this house at the auction, and they think that no matter what they buy at the auction is a good deal. Those people are making the markets get propped up. They're making the values go higher. And most importantly, those are the same people that we do not see the next month at the auction because they just went broke on a bad purchase. Now, for those of you who watch my channel and also know about the real estate market, there hasn't been much auctions going around. There hasn't been many foreclosures going around. So for the last year to 2 years, it's almost been dead at the auction. So for me, speaking on this was in 2018, 2019, the start of 2020, and then also till today, whatever goes in the markets for the auction, people are overpaying more than retail. It's wild. Those same people, maybe it's you, maybe you're not doing that right now, but you want to invest, I'm advising them and you, Do not overpay for real estate in an uncertain market like this. Do not bet on appreciation because there's so much that can go the other way, which can wipe you out. As you all see in today's market, everyone is overpaying. Investors, they want to buy real estate so they don't have their money frozen, and home buyers, they just want to get into a home. They're fed up. Literally everyone. Now, as an investor, I don't care if I got in the bank parked millions of dollars that are not being worked. I would rather do that and lose money to inflation than to go buy bad real estate or bad investments that will give me headaches and make me lose money. Now, taking a step back, I would never want to have a couple $1,000,000 parked, but I'm saying worst scenario, I'm not going to go move that money into bad investments just for the heck of it. What we're seeing in this market is big groups got millions of dollars and they want to show the investors that they're moving their money and they're getting it worked in bad deals, risky deals. So 99.9% of real estate investors in today's market, they're betting on appreciation, that when they buy the house today for this overpriced price, they're betting that when it comes to sell in the next month or 2 or 3, it'll be up 2, 3, 4, even 5% in value. They'll make their profit from that, and they'll make some profit because they bought the house in the beginning. But here's the problem. What happens when you go and you invested in 9 different properties and now you got $6 million in the real estate market and you're holding the bag when the market goes down? For all the years of you flipping and making money and investing, you can lose it all in literally 1 season. My professor at university where I was going to college literally became a professor because 2008 and 2009 wiped him out. He was a medical office developer who would build buildings for medical users, and he was 40% complete with the development. 0809 came and it threw him underwater. So from being a big player to becoming nothing and losing everything is what happened to him. And that can happen to you in this market that we're in because it's so uncertain. You never know when the market's going to go down, and you never know when the news just comes out where everything is just not looking good. So for all of those who are investing on betting with the market only going up, you need to hear this. What goes up must come down. I'm not saying it's going to crash, and I'm not saying it's not. But what I am saying is it will come down. Whether it cools down, it comes down strong, it comes down with a massive crash, a massive correction, we don't care. We just know that if you pay $500,000 today and the market comes down, you're going to have to sell for $490,000, $480,000 plus closing costs and fees, meaning you're already in the hole if you're paying too much today. I know investors who have such thin margins who are making $5,000, $10,000 off a $200,000, $300,000 investment that they plan to flip. That margin is not enough if a market does bad. In fact, it's not even enough to have as a reserve in case the deal you buy is bad, let alone a market that's going down. So please, if you get anything from this video, guys, it's be careful. Stop thinking that what you've seen the last couple of years is what's going to happen and it's just going to keep going up and up and up. Stop thinking that you're safe because the market's on your side right now. Stop thinking that no matter what you invest in is going to be a win, because that's not the case. We are already seeing big players who are investing billions, such as Zillow, making big losses and having to cash out their portfolio because the flipping business wasn't doing well for them. So be careful. And I don't care what the excuse was for Zillow and what you guys heard and what you guys think. The point is, be careful and don't overpay for real estate, because your money is made at the buy, not at the sell. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please show some love and hit that like and subscribe button. I upload every single week about real estate, finance, and business, and I talk to you real stuff. I don't just read articles and then preach that. I actually do the business every single day. I'm a full-time real estate agent and investor. I got some developments underway. I got some properties that I'm currently flipping. I got a ton of clients that I'm helping represent on buying real estate, selling real estate, doing 1031 exchanges. It's all over the place, and I'm giving you guys all that knowledge on this channel. So if you guys value that, then make sure that you stick around and subscribe. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Much love to everybody, and I'm out.